we know that unit of repeat is nothing but a specific set that repeats itself again and again. So in this case, as you can see, red and blue is a specific set that repeats itself again and again, and that is why this is the unit of repeat in this case. But do you know, unit of repeat can be larger than just two objects. So it can be 3, 4 or any number of objects. So let's see some examples of larger unit of repeats. Now here I have a pattern. Now what is the size of unit of repeat in this case? Let's see. So I have this shape, then I have this star, and then I have this blue shape. Now after that I see a repeat. So again I have this shape, then a star, and then a blue shape again. So what is the unit of repeat in this case? Well, I see that after these three shapes we have a repeat. So this particular unit is the unit of repeat, isn't it? Exactly this is repeating again here. So in this pattern, this is the unit of repeat. And what is the size here? Well, we have three objects or three designs. So three objects together are making up one unit of repeat. So this is larger than what we had seen earlier. So this is also an example of unit of repeat which is much larger than the previous examples. Now let's see one more. Now here again I have a pattern. What is the pattern? Well, I have a Superman logo, then a Batman, then a Captain America, then an Iron Man. I haven't seen a repeat yet. Now I see a Superman, again I see a Batman, then Captain America, and then Iron Man. So where did the repeat start? Well, the repeat started here, isn't it? So from Superman to Iron Man we had no repeats, and after this again the same thing is repeating. So this is one unit of repeat in this case, isn't it? So these four logos together make up one unit of repeat. So we have four objects together making up one unit of repeat. So you see, here we have four objects. So earlier you had seen two, then you saw three. Now we have four objects together making up a unit of repeat. So a unit of repeat can be much larger than two or three. So we have four, and similarly we can have 5 or 6 too. So it depends on the size of a unit of repeat, and eventually if it is a pattern it will repeat. Now that you know about 3 objects and 4 objects can also be unit of repeat, let's see one more example. Now in this case I have numbers. Can you find the unit of repeat in this case? I have 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8 and so on. So what is the unit of repeat in this case? Is it 5, 8? Is it 5, 8, 7, 6, 5? Or is it 7, 6, 5, 8? What exactly is the unit of repeat? What do you think? Well, let's see. So I have 5, then 8, no repeat till now. 7, I don't see a repeat till now. 6, no repeat till now. Then I have a 5, so I had this 5 earlier. Now I have 8, I had this 8 earlier. Then I have 7, I had this 7 earlier. And then I have 6, so I had this 6. Now again I have 5, 8, 7, 6. So what do we see? Well, we see that this particular unit is repeating, isn't it? So in this pattern 5, 8, 7, 6 is the unit of repeat. And how large is this? Well, it contains 4 numbers. So this unit is 4 numbers long. So in this case unit of repeat is 5, 8, 7, 6. Now we have another pattern. can you complete this pattern? Well, I have an apple, then a banana, then an orange, then a papaya, then an apple, then we have some fruits missing here, then I have an apple, a banana, an orange, and a papaya. So in order to complete this pattern, what do we need to place and where do we need to place it? Well, for that we will have to identify the unit of repeat again. So let's see, we have one apple, then a banana, it's not repeating, then an orange, not repeating again, then papaya, not repeating till now, then we have an apple, but we don't have the other fruits. So if this is a unit of repeat or not, we can't be sure. So let's move to the last section of the pattern. We have an apple, a banana, an orange, and a papaya. So don't you think this particular thing has repeated here too? Yes. So this is the unit of repeat, and if we want to complete this pattern, then we need to place the fruits in this order itself. So we already have an apple here. So what will be next? A banana, right? So I place a banana here. Now what is next? Well, there is an orange. So I place an orange here. And what is next? We have a papaya. So I place a papaya here. Now do we have a pattern? Well, we do. So this is one unit, and exactly this unit is being repeated here, and then again here. So now we have a pattern. Now can you find the unit of repeat in this case? Well, I have only apples and oranges in this case, and they are repeating. But what is the pattern? What is the unit of repeat in this particular case? What do you think? Is it apple and orange, or is it orange and apple, or both of them alternatively? What exactly is the unit of repeat? What do you think? Well, let's see. Now here you may feel that the apple is repeating. So I have an apple, then an apple again, it's repeating. But then I have an orange, and then I have an apple and an apple again. So what exactly is the unit of repeat? Is it apple, or then we have an orange again? Well, if you look closely, you will see that we have one apple, two apples, then one orange. Again we have one apple, two apples, then an orange. And now I think you can see the pattern. One apple, two apples, one orange. So what is the unit of repeat? Well, it's not two apples, it's not an apple and an orange. This is the unit of repeat. Two apples, one orange. Two apples, one orange. Two apples, one orange. Two apples, one orange. And how long is the unit of repeat? It's three objects long. So two apples and one orange. This is the unit of repeat in this case. So when we talk about unit of repeat, a set of objects, colors or designs in a pattern that repeats itself is called the unit of repeat of the pattern. Now a unit of repeat can contain two or more numbers, objects or characters in a pattern. So it is not necessary that a pattern will always have just two objects. It can have two or more. In fact, any number of numbers, objects or characters, and they make a pattern. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.